Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am playing around with the new Anastasia Beverly Hills x Jackie Aina palette. So if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. So before we get into the eyeshadows, I'm first going to apply an eyeshadow base as always. And here I'm going to be using the eyeshadow primer from Anastasia Beverly Hills all over my eyelid. Now for the eyeshadows, I am going to be using the new ABH x Jackie Aina palette like I said. So the first eyeshadow I'm going to pick up is Edges, and I'm going to apply that into the crease and the outer corners of my eyes. I'm using a smaller blending brush to apply the shadow, and then I'm just going to go in with a slightly bigger brush to make sure that everything is perfectly blended. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Credit, which is a lot darker than the previous shade. And with this one, I'm just going to add more depth to the look. I'm applying this one in the crease and the outer corners as well, but I'm not going to blend it up as much. I'm going to keep it right in the crease of my eye. And again, I like to apply my shadows with a smaller brush, and then I like to blend it out with a bigger one. Now, before I go in with the shimmery shadows on the lid, I'm first going to apply a little bit more of the eye primer onto the inner half of my lid so that the eyeshadows will go on better. Now I'm going to apply this beautiful rose gold shade onto the entire inner half of my eyelid, and I'm not going to say the name of the shadow because I cannot pronounce it without sounding like an idiot. For the outer corners, I'm gonna add some of the shade Wiggalese, which is a beautiful metallic cranberry red shadow. And I'm just pressing this onto the lid with a flat eyeshadow brush. I always get questions about my brushes, and all of the brushes in this video are from Not Black Cosmetics. I use them in pretty much all my videos because they are the best. Now I'm gonna go in and highlight the inner corners of my eyes, and I'm gonna do that using the eyeshadow called Soleil. Then I'm going to move on to the lower lash line, and I'm first going to apply edges all over the lash line, and then I'm adding Credit just in the outer corners. Now I wanted this look to be super smoky, so that's why I'm bringing the color quite low. I wanted to do a look with a red waterline for so long, and I felt like today was the perfect opportunity to do so. So here I'm just lining my waterline with the Inglot AMC Gel Eyeliner in number 79. And now for my upper lash line, I'm gonna do a winged liner using the new liquid liner from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I've used it for about a week now since I filmed my review, and I feel like I've really gotten used to using a liquid liner again. So yeah, I still really like it. Now I'm just going to finish off this look with some mascara and lashes, and that is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!